So there's 2 stacks on the roof. We'll start with this 3-inch. I saw a manhole in the street, so it should go out towards the north. Oh, that doesn't look good. Big giant hole in the stack. I'm kind of afraid to go past here. There's a big crack in the pipe. 2 cracks. The whole thing's falling apart. Yeah, I gotta be careful there. Don't want my camera to go outside the pipe and get stuck in the wall. Which has happened before. Okay, now we're at the kitchen stack over here in the northeast corner. Looks like it got roots in there. Crack in the bottom of the pipe with roots coming through. Alright, this here looks fair at this point, but very suspicious when I see roots. Yeah, I'm not going to get through there. It needs to be replaced. I'd say cleaning, but roots and that big giant crack we saw. I hate to have you spend a lot of money cleaning and have it fall apart. See, if I didn't see those roots, this here it looks like it could be cleaned. But the fact that we saw roots in there, and then we did have that big crack in the other pipe. So considering the fact that all the pipes were installed at the same time, the same age, they're probably in similar condition. So that big giant crack indicates that the other pipes are susceptible.